Hey guys, if your vehicle have this button here, that's the parking brake, meaning it is an electronic parking brake, you will need a scan tool like this. It's more like for DIY guys. If you're doing your wheel brakes on newer vehicles, you will need a scan tool like this. I mean, that's the one I'm using right now. It is the MS Nano 6CX. And I just did the wheel brakes on that vehicle. It is a 2019 Volvo XC90. You won't be able to do the wheel brakes without this. You really can't, because you won't be able to put in service mode, right? So you will need this. In hotel, you'll go to, I already have the vehicle in. It is a very advanced scan tool. You can do a lot of things with this, a lot. You can reset your oil life, battery life, and you can put the parking brake in service mode. So what you will do is go to hot function, and you can reset your oil life. I'm sure on other vehicles you can do a lot more. You have a lot more options than this, believe it or not. Let's say you're working on GM, Ford, or Chrysler, or any other brand, European brand, or American, or Asian. It does have a lot more options than this, but on this Volvo, it happened to have those too. And lucky for me, those are the things that I need. I'll go to parking brakes. Let me put the car in park right now. You'll put the parking brake in service mode, and you will wait a little bit. Right now it is inactive. Right, the service mode is inactive. To put it active, you should stop button. You'll put it in service mode. You will hear the wheel caliper make a little noise. That's the electric motor retracting the caliper piston. And to take it out of service mode, you scroll down. Oh, sorry, you'll go there again, and you say stop to put it in inactive like this, because right now the parking brake is not active. The service mode is not active. And that's how you do it. It is a very good scan tool to have. The Altair Maxis MS Nano 6CX. Mind you, this is an older one, and it still work on this. Imagine the newer one, right? As long as it is up to date, there is a subscription you have to put the to update the scan tool. As long as it is up to date, you will be able to use it on any new vehicles. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. I'll put a link for this scan tool on the description below. Thanks for watching.